Hi, I'm Tracy Mailer with the Tracy Mailer Group of Keller Williams Realty. And today I want to share with you an amazingly unique property. The Stelnicki Ranch is a 115-acre working cattle ranch located in Spring Lake, Florida, which is known for its pure water and its fertile soil. The property is located in West Central Florida, just minutes from Interstate I-75, 6 minutes from downtown Brooksville, and very close to the Brooksville Regional Airport. The property consists of a main home, an adjacent guest home, a 4-car garage, a cattle pen, a horse riding arena, a hay barn, an equipment barn, 5 naturally spring-fed ponds, and a wooded area encompassing a rifle range and archery practice area. This 115-acre working cattle ranch is divided into 10-acre parcels, which provides the buyer endless possibilities. Entering onto the property through the electronic gate, you will immediately feel the old Florida charm of a land remembered. The main house features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a soaring ceiling with wood beam accents, an open split floor plan, and is tiled throughout. Begin each morning watching the sunrise and the wildlife while sipping your coffee on the screened lanai accessed through 4 sets of French doors. Adjacent to the main home, you will find a 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest house attached to a 4-car garage with roll-up doors and a workshop. A 46 by 25-foot building which can house farm equipment or recreational vehicles is also included. The cattle holding pen and loading chute feature high and sturdy fencing and is located in a well-shaded area. 4-board fencing surrounds the property and sections off numerous pastures, and most gates include remote access. Only the highest quality of Tifton 44 grass can be found in these pastures for both grazing and hay production. A 60 by 40-foot drive-through hay barn capable of sustaining 140 mile-per-hour winds is located next to the horse riding arena. 5 naturally spring-fed ponds are scattered throughout the acreage, providing water for livestock, deer, turkey, and other abundant wildlife. If gun hunting is your preference, the Tracy Mailer Group would love to show you the 100-yard practice range, or you may choose to shoot bows at the 3D targets situated throughout the wooded area. You'll also find ATV trails, walking trails, and horse riding trails. In the southeast section is Turkey Field, which features 4 turkey blinds and an automatic feeder. The far eastern boundary features Pine Hill, a vast open pasture bordered by pine trees and woods, perfect for building another home site. I hope you've enjoyed the video. For more information, give us a call at the Tracy Mailer Group of Keller Williams Realty, 352-848-5064, or you can visit us on the website, www.tracymailer.com. Thank you for watching.